Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to make a pumpkin Zaatar Babka and pumpkin chocolate almond babka. We have to remove the skin of our pumpkin, and then I love to share with you this recipe because this is very healthy. Now I am going to cut the pumpkin. Just cut it in small pieces, not too much small. That's having fun in the kitchen. This is very delicious and so healthy. Now we have to put it into this one. Just make it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Steam only. We'll do steam. Now we'll check it. Oh, this is so delicious. Now it's ready. It's already cooked. Now we have to put it in a bowl for a meantime until it become cold so that we can mash it. And now we have to mash nicely, and where I am just using pork because I'm comfortable with it. And now I'm going to add the egg. Only one egg. I'm not adding oil or this one because I am using later on olive oil for zaatar, so that is enough. Now I'm adding the granulated sugar and also my baking powder, salt, and also the instant yeast. For exact measurement, just check down below for the description. I am using 1 cup of gluten-free flour, but if you don't have gluten-free flour, you can this one optional. You can use all-purpose flour because I'm mixing only 1 cup. And after that one, I am mixing all-purpose flour, like 2.5 cups. But I'm adding it small. This one. Not all the time. I'm putting it little by little. Just having great time doing this bread, and it's so delicious. It's my first time doing this one, pumpkin Zaatar Babka, because mostly I am making is a normal bread, but this time I'm using vegetable. And it's so tasty, and I hope all of you who's watching right now and making it for them also, for yourself, and you love it, and I hope you like it. Now we have to keep it aside to make it double the size. Now I am making ready my zaatar with the olive oil. And for those who still not this one, subscribe in my channel, click the subscribe button and ring the bell. I will really appreciate it if you subscribe for more notification for next video. Now I have already this one melted galaxy chocolate, and I'm adding it with almond slice. If you don't have any available nuts you have, it's okay. And any chocolate, your favorite chocolate, you can use it. Now here we go. The amazing, I really love doing bread. Not only bread, any food, any dishes. This is so pretty, amazing, massaging the bread, the dough. Now I am going to cut it and keep aside the one, and then I'm trying my best to make it, like rectangular size, shape, not size, shape. I'm just having fun in the kitchen. Now I am going to put the zaatar with olive oil. Having fun in the kitchen and stay grateful, everyone. Alhamdulillah. Now we are put this one. It's really delicious. Spread it all. And for the exact this one measurement, just kindly check this one description below. See how delicious the outcome. It will be so soft and delicious, and it's also gluten free. Now we have to roll it. I am going to roll it gently. See, this is so amazing. This is perfect. I love doing it. Now I am going to cut it in the middle. This is tricky because if I cannot do it nicely, it will be messy. It will be scattering all the zaatar. Now this is it. I have to make it braided. And it's so delicious because I'm using only my oil. I'm using is this one, it's olive oil. Only that one I'm using for my zaatar pumpkin babka. So we'll streak it immediately and putting it inside. I'm keeping it aside. Now I'm going to make another one for this one, chocolate galaxy babka, pumpkin chocolate galaxy with almond slice. Again, I'm doing spread. I spread all around the chocolate. So this is another delicious pumpkin bread. Spread it nicely, and I'm having fun doing it because I believe that good mood is always coming out the good food. That is so delicious and very soft. Now I have to fold it and very gently. This is tricky one. This is amazing. Now it's perfect. Again, I'm going to cut it in the middle because I have to do it braided again. This is another delicious pumpkin chocolate babka. Slowly, slowly. And the children love to eat it. And even Madam, Madam and Sir, they love to eat it. Pumpkin. Pumpkin chocolate babka. This is it. Again, I have to put it in the tray and let it rest for 30 minutes. It's always taking patience when making bread. This is one of the amazing thing. And then now it's become double the size. I will brush it with little egg yolk. So amazing. And now I have to put it in the oven. We have to cook it for 25 minutes. Now it's ready. See how delicious it is. So healthy, delicious, and so soft. I really love the outcome. Enjoy!